In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust view in Google Meet. If you want to make your Google Meet layout more comfortable to look at, this is a very quick setting to change, and it can make a big difference during a meeting. Adjusting the view lets you control how participants and shared content appear on your screen, which is especially helpful if you're in a larger meeting or if you simply want a cleaner layout. To begin, make sure you are already inside your Google Meet session. Once you're in the meeting, look toward the bottom area of the screen where the meeting controls are located. You'll need to find the menu icon with 3 dots. This is the More Options menu, and it gives you access to extra settings that are not shown on the main toolbar. Go ahead and click on the 3 dots. When the menu opens, look for the option called Adjust View. This is a setting that lets you customize how the meeting is displayed on your device. Click on Adjust View to open those layout controls. After that, you'll be able to select the view you want to use. Depending on your version of Google Meet and whether someone is presenting, you may see different layout choices. For example, one view may highlight the active speaker, while another may show more participants at once. Choose the one that works best for the kind of meeting you're in. If you're attending a presentation or training session, a view that emphasizes the shared content may be more useful. If you're in a team discussion, you might prefer a layout that makes it easier to see multiple people at the same time. This is really about choosing the setup that helps you focus best. Once you select your preferred view, the change is usually applied right away, so you can immediately see the updated layout. If it doesn't feel quite right, you can always return to the same menu and choose a different option. It only takes a few seconds, so don't hesitate to test what looks best on your screen. That's all there is to it. Open the 3-dot menu, click Adjust View, and select the layout you want. It's a simple feature, but it can make your Google Meet experience much more organized and easier to follow.